Come on, subscribe now. Don't you ever hesitate. It's a Seaman YouTube channel, everybody can relate. Captain's Media Chronicles, the best channel for me and to all the Filipino seamen and their family. Captain's Media Chronicles. Captain's Media Chronicles.
Seaman's Club, tambayan ng marinong mahilig. Ano ang pumapasok sa isipan mo kapag naririnig mo ang salitang Seaman's Club? Hello, mga kamanlalayag, mga kamandaragat, at mga ka-Captain's Media Chronicles. On this vlog, we will discuss about the Seaman's Club. Matagal na may nagre-request sa akin na gawin ko na topic ang Seaman's Club. Dahil madalas daw kasi sila na inaaway ng kani-kanilang mga asawa kapag nag-shore leave sila at pag nabanggit nila na sila ay nasa Seaman's Club. Ito ay pinagmumula ng selos at away. Ano nga ba ang Seaman's Club? Ito ba ay sinful place or lugar ng makasalanan? Well, ito ang ating tatalakayin ngayon.
But before we proceed, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.
Hello mga friends, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po kayo? Unang-una ay magpasalamat ako kay Captain Busoy ng Captain's Media Chronicle para sa vlog na ito. May share yung aming mission.
Welcome back everyone. Shout out nga muna pala sa ating mga subscribers katulad ni Eril Cahes at Mary Joy Season, kila Carlo, Doy, Darren, Juko, Sherwin, Shermay, Kevin, Eileen, Robin, at Jay. Guten Tag. For the adult persons, when they hear the word Seaman's Club or club, it is giving them a bad connotation or meaning. For the non-seafarers, Seaman's Club is synonymous to these words: nightclub, disco club, discotheque, karaoke bar, and many more. And of course, all of these words are having the same meaning. These are places which is open at night where people can eat, drink, dance, and watch, or to be entertained. These establishments are being identified as a sinful places or places of sins and sinners because what are being offered or served are alcohol, nude shows, and sex or prostitution, and sometimes even the prohibited drugs and gambling. In short, these are for entertainment, leisure, and leisure which are for adult only. It is not a family-oriented or wholesome type entertainment. Subalit, ano nga ba ang Seaman's Club? Ito din ba ay sinful place or lugar ng kasalanan at makasalanan? Ang kasagutan ay malaking hindi. Dahil ang Seaman's Club ay establishment na itinatag ng mga missionaries or religious groups, kagaya ng Catholic at Protestant. Ang Seaman's Center or Club ay pinapatakbo ng mga non-government at non-profit organizations, kagaya ng Flying Angel or Mission to the Seafarers,
Apostleship of the Sea or Stella Maris,
International Seafarer Center, Corpus Christi International Seaman Center, at marami pang iba. Ito ay matatagpuan sa iba't ibang puerto sa iba't ibang bansa sa buong mundo, particularly sa mga major ports
kagaya ng mga sumusunod:
mayroon din sa Manila at Cebu, Philippines. The people who are managing the seaman centers are the chaplains. They are either a priest, a pastor, or reverends, etc. All of these different seaman center or seaman's club are having a common mission and purpose. At ito ang mga serbisyo at mga tulong na ibinibigay nila sa mga seafarers na nagmula sa iba't ibang bansa na may iba't ibang ideology at religions. Ito ay mga sumusunod. 1. Ship visiting. 2. Seaman center or establishment. 3. Justice and welfare services. Number 4. Communication. Number 5. Transport service. And number 6. Care and support. Ship visiting. Ang mga chaplains at mga staffs ng Seaman Center ay bumibisita sa mga barkong nasa puerto, kung saan ay nagbibigay sila ng tulong, counseling at advice. They also offer prayer meeting or mass on board the ship. Nagbibigay sila ng libreng religious reading materials na nalimbag sa iba't ibang language. Mayroon din silang mga internet SIM card na ibinebenta on board the ship. Number 2, the Seaman's Club or centers, or ang mismong establishment. Ang iba't ibang seaman center ay mayroon ding combined na mahigit 100 center na malapit sa mga puerto sa iba't ibang bansa sa buong mundo. They are offering refreshments, recreational activities, internet, phone facilities, and the chance to spend time away from their monotonous life on board the ship for relaxation and refreshing their mind. Ang mga chaplains at volunteers ay nagbibigay din ng advice at counseling sa mga seafarers sa kanilang personal at pampamilyang problema. Ano ba ang makikita or amenities sa loob at labas ng mga seafarers center? Ito ay ang mga sumusunod: prayer room, TV room, money exchange, at yung iba ay mayroon ding international money remittance. Internet service is also available either free or with charge. Mini stores wherein various items are available such as foodstuffs, snacks, and beverages. Different toiletries such as shaver, toothpaste, and toothbrush. Clothes, shoes, slippers, and many different souvenir items. And the most important is the internet SIM cards and phone cards. When the mobile phones are still not available, they were offering long-distance phone call service for a low price, wherein the seafarers can call their family, loved ones, and friends. And of course, they are also selling beer, but not the whiskey, liquor, or any type of hard drinks. And take note, without the guest relation officers and sex workers. There is a library with vast collections of books, newspaper, religious materials, movies, and documentary videos in CD or DVD, and many more. Some of the Seaman Center, like the Stella Maris and Flying Angel, are even having their own newspaper which features articles translated into Spanish, Russian, Chinese, Filipino, and many more languages. There are vast stocks of ukay-ukay or used clothings and shoes as well. The books, newspapers, reading materials, and the used clothings are being given for free. The seafarers can take as much as they want and can carry. Sabi nga, unli kuha or unli hakot. There are many types of table games such as billiards, table tennis, etc. There are seaman center which are having an outdoor sport facilities such as basketball court, tennis court, and even a soccer field. Number 3, justice and welfare services. The chaplains and volunteers on the seaman centers are available and on hand to assist the seafarers from any nations
regardless of religion or ideology with regards to work or salary-related problem on board the ship. They can put them in touch with professional support and legal advice. Number 4, communication. Mayroong mga seaman center ay nagbibigay ng free wifi for email and calls, mobile hotspots kapag bumibisita sa barko. Mayroon din namang nagpapaarkila at ganoon din sa kanilang mga seaman center. Mayroon din na help desk na bukas 24/7 upang magbigay ng assistance and online support sa mga seafarers through their chaplain. Number 5, transport services. Many ports are located in places which are very far from towns, shopping malls, and other amenities. For the seafarers, the most important service from the Seaman Center is they are giving free transportation service from the ship to the Seafarers Center and vice versa. And in some countries, when there are seafarer centers who are charging the transportation from the ship to the shopping mall or in any other places the seafarers are intending to go, but the fee is cheap. Sometimes it is only $10 per person. This time of COVID pandemic and restrictions, seafarers are not allowed to go ashore. Until this time, many of the ports are not allowing the shore leave. The chaplains and the volunteers are offering their assistance to transport and bring to them their basic necessities. Number 6, care and support. In cases of pirate attack, shipwreck, abandonment, serious injury, or bereavement, the Seaman Center is on hand to offer whatever assistance a seafarer needs. This help may range from food to phone calls. Ngayon ay alam na ninyo kung ano ang dahilan kung bakit naging paboritong tambayan ito ng mga marinong mahilig sa free transportation, free internet, free reading materials at movies, at syempre pa sa mga ukay-ukay items. Kaya kayo mga asawa ng mga marino, wag na ninyong aawayin ang asawa, boyfriend, or jowa ninyo kapag nalaman ninyong nagpupunta sila sa Seaman's Club or Seafarer Center. Nagre-relax lamang sila doon or bumibili ng internet SIM card. Or hindi kaya, baka naghahakot lang sila ng mga ukay-ukay para may pampasalubong sa pag-uwi. I would like to thank Father Dave of the Bangkok Mission to Seafarers for the informations and for allowing me to use some of their photo from their FB page, and also for his message which will include on the second part of this vlog. Thank you very much for watching, and God. I'm a YouTube blogger. Thank you very much, sir.
You're quite welcome.
Yeah.
All right, you'll come back and see us.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you're quite welcome.
Here's my YouTube channel.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
That's why I'm taking a video while on the